Hey family friends, if you're from across the world, Joe is back on the studio. Well, first of all, let me congratulate all the ones that passed the CDL, got their license already with the mentors. It's either with Swift or Sierra England or whatever school you decided to go to, and I'm happy to be here, and I'm happy to give you my experience and my thoughts and my point of view of since, well, I've been doing it since day one. I've been recording since day one, all the way to being a solo driver, all the way to being a dedicated driver, actually, because once you're a solo driver, you're over the road, and then you got to work your way. You know, you got to work your way down, like from over the road to dedicated, from dedicated to intermodal, more regional, and then to put you on a local route. And like I always said, it's all about experience. Now, today's video is going to be special because I want to share with you a couple things here, and how did Joey did it, and we're just going to talk about vlogging. Okay, now what are the tools that you're going to use, and what can you do to vlog, to make your own videos, how I done it, and what are the tools that I use, and I'm going to share with you today. So just give me a minute and I'm going to bring out my table. I want to show you here what I use, what I've been doing, and how I've been doing to actually vlog. Well, first of all, you have to believe in yourself, and you just gotta be confident and just relax and just pretend you're actually talking to someone when you're talking on video. That's basically how I do it. And then the content which you bring, and one is curse. I don't curse. I don't use curse languages. I don't curse at all. I don't talk nasty. I treat everybody equally, and I love my viewers, I love my fans, I love all my subscribers. That's one thing, and you always got to be positive, okay? So how did I start it, and how and what? I mean, what are the tools that you use? I mean, normally to do videos, all I use is just a regular Android phone. That's what I use, basically an Android phone. And this right here, this is a LG Aristro. You can get an iPhone 5, iPhone 6 or 7. Well, the most important thing that you want to get is the camera, the lens, the quality picture, the megapixels. Some phones have 5 megapixels. Like for an example, this one right here. Okay, this Android here, it's a 5 megapixel on the front of the camera, and then there's a 15 megapixel on the back. So when it gives me so this right here will give me a 720 on a video. Okay, so some of them will give you 320, and then this one will give me a 720 pi. So it's a good video quality, you know. But if you get a 5 megapixel, if you record using this one there, it's only gonna give you a 5 megapixel. You're not gonna, it's gonna see like blurry. You know, some of my videos are blurry, some of my videos are clear. Now these recent videos that I've been doing, I've been using this only. You know, this is straightforward without editing. Now, what editing system? We'll get to that later. Now, okay, now what you want to basically do is you don't need to spend that much money. But because I'm a drone pilot and I also fly my drone, and we'll get to that later. But let's talk about just the basic handy cameras that you're gonna use, you know. And to be a vlogger, of course, you're gonna be in the middle of people, crowds, and this is the most important thing that I always need to use is the neon vest. You always want to have that because so people can see you. You know, people might look at you and be like, hey, look at him talking. It's okay, just continue to do. Nobody's gonna step up to you and be like, hey, listen, what are you doing? Or what can you, or don't worry about that. Just keep recording and doing what you're doing. Okay, now that's the most important that you're going to use. And I want to show you here, I have a Gopro 5 Hero. This records in 4K. It's an awesome camera. This is one of the things that you can use, and also with a suction cup, you can put it on the side of the truck or on the glass, and you can I don't really use this much on the truck. You know, only when I do my outdoors events, that's when I use this the most. But yeah, the GoPro Hero5 Black, this is an awesome camera with this suction cup, and it's waterproof. It's a pretty decent camera, And this right here is about $2.99. I know you can get it for like $2.50 or $200 used, you know, but this is perfect for vlogging, especially when you're doing videos and you want to open up a new channel. Yeah, just go with the GoPro 5 Hero, or you can go with something smaller. And then this right here, I use it for I use it on the head strap. This tremendous, which is the GoPro Hero5 session, which is the this is the big brother and this is the little brother. And this is waterproof and it records in 4K. It's from 30 frames. It's from 24, 30, and 60 frames per second. And then on the frames per second is when you're recording fast and you're running or something. That's when you give it more frames per second. Now the 4K, I don't really record in 4K because it runs your memory card. So I always record at 1080. You know, 1080, 30 frames per second. That's perfect. And of course the pouch. Don't forget your pouch. Always you need the pouch. And you get a lot of these. Get a lot of these guys. You get these from eBay. You get them for like $6. You get like 15 of these guys. And this is the ones that are the SD Mini. You convert them. SD Mini. You convert them to USB. Yeah, this right here. You get like a 15 pack for like $6 or something like that. And then all these cameras, they use them little SD mini readers. Yeah, basically what that is. And then try to get a good one. You know, you always want to get like an ultra Sandisc. You know, this is a 32 gigabyte, and then try to get like a class 10. I don't know if you can see that. Probably get something. Let me see if you can see that there. That's a class 10. Yeah, you want to get like a 32, 64, or 128. You know, it's a must, you know. And in school, actually, when you're trucking, yeah, take a camera with you, take videos. That's what I did. That's how I passed. That's how I passed, and I got my CDL. Recording. When you do the pre-trip, you record. Just record what's happening. And then this is one of my favorite cameras too. Here, this one right here, you can do video and audio, so you can actually record. It has two continuous microphones. You can record audio, or you can record video. It records both. No, it's not waterproof. And this is a Sony HDR MV1. This is a musician's video cam. And of course the little Gorilla tripod. You know, this is one of the most it's not that expensive, $2.99, but this is just awesome camera as well too. Now I'm into Power Director 15. Power Director 16 came out, and it's a lot better. It doesn't crash it that much. It doesn't crash, you know, but it's alright, you know, better than. And of course, don't forget your laptop. You know, right now I'm using this is a Windows 10. This is a gateway, and it's an NE71B series. And then of course you want a bigger processor, it'll be great. But I like it because of the big screen. And then the 4 gigabyte DDR3. You know, you can make that bigger. You can add more to it and put a bigger PC. It's a 5 gig. It's not bad at all. You know, something to begin with. All right. I believe in you. I know you can do it. So start your own channel, man. If you got any questions, I'm here for you to answer your questions. You can email me at jonesrwscott@gmail.com. And just channel. I mean, alright, you know. And one thing is just, you know, be polite and no cursing. No cursing. So don't forget to fly safe, stay safe. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. So thanks for watching. Later.